Calling.
651?
651-1330.
Okay, someone else has to do it.
No, you. Come on.
No, I don't want to do it.
I'll do the next one if you do this one.
Fine.
What's the next one, Johnny?
Should I say the same exact thing?
Yeah.
It's something different.
Speaker.
What should I say? What should I say? What should I say?
Same thing.
Just go along, whatever. Just do it. Why isn't it loud?
What's the next one?
You have to click the speaker button.
That's why.
Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, how are you?
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, what is your name?
Who are you calling? Because this is a business.
I don't know.
Wait, what?
Say your business is my business.
Wait, what
Wait,
did she
you wanna find
say?
What's the next one?
Wait, what did she say in the beginning
Wait, who
then?
was that?
What did you? I don't think I blocked my number. Oh, yeah.
She said, how can I help you? Didn't she?
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
exactly, so that is business. Stupid.
She said this is a business. Who are you calling?
You dumb?
Oh, I think this isn't business.
Retarded.
Okay, Blockbusters.
No, the next one's Wendy's.
No!
I swear.
We're going backwards, so it's Air Pastel.
No, give me the sheet. Let me see it right now. Turn it on.
You do whatever you
And
want.
then we went to Jay, and then we're going to Air Pastel. But it's probably closed because it's in Broadway Mall. So we're doing Gobble Kebab.
Okay, you said Blockbusters, dick.
Fine, you want to do Blockbusters with
No.
XXX?
Do Gobble Kebab.
Okay, Gobble Kebab.
7 times 6.
63. I mean, whoa. Give her the phone or something.
7. No, but you're always laughing.
I won't. I'll dial it. What's your password? Click 3 numbers.
What else? Make sure you block the number. Ow! It's me calling bullshit. Who am I check?
He puts it in English.